Today's a special day. We are going to work on the trailer. Need some things done.
So, here's an overview of my trailer. This is 3x3 square tubing. It's 1/4 inch thick. And then this is actually an axle tube, a trailer axle tube that's slid in the end. When you bend the spindles, like you always do, if you look down this, you'll see that this one is kicked sideways because this one is the one that always takes the brunt. These are double beadlock, bolt together. These are street legal. These are very expensive Hutchison double beadlocks. And I run them on here so that I can run zero pressure in the tires, because without suspension on the trailer, this is the suspension on the trailer, the lack of air in the tires. I don't have suspension on here because any moving part is a potential failure. That's where it's going to break. So the reason that I have it sitting high so that these tires don't touch is because these tires on the trail are the ones that take the beating. So then when it's running down the road, it rides on these tires. Therefore, these aren't really hitting the ground because they're usually bent and pointed the wrong way. It keeps the trailer alive to just ride on the back ones when it's on the truck, and these are kind of floating. That's why everybody's pointed out that the wheel bearings work really good, because this tire is always spinning when I stop, because it intentionally sits that way. I designed it that way. I haven't touched this trailer. When's the last time we flipped it over, Sean? A year and a half ago?
At least, yeah.
So that's actually a pretty good rate considering the recoveries it's done and the abuse it's seen and the washboard roads that this thing has bounced down. That's a pretty good run. We're gonna have Mike drop some plates just to kind of reinforce some things and tie some stuff together. These are 1.25 inch solid square bar that run up here. They double as sliders, and they also tie the axles together. When you come into an obstacle right here, it naturally wants to twist the axle out from under the vehicle. That's why I put these in, so that they're tied in on the bottom so that it doesn't really twist it. This one right here is the old boom off of the Wrecker from long, long ago. So this chain link right here is where those chain links used to be. And then this hole right here is where that hook right there used to be on the old pole. I actually cut it off of here, laid it over the new pole, and welded it on. Yeah, to see this right here? And then we're broke right here on the frame rail. And then these are broke.
Oh, this is one.
Cracked out. That's cracked. That's cracked. Re-weld all this.
Yeah.
What I'd like to do, Mike?
Yeah.
Piece of quarter.
Okay.
That would like angle right here, capture that.
Come up and
Yeah,
go across
like weld
there.
along here, weld along the top there, weld around here.
Water is a precious commodity in the desert. Sometimes we use coffee instead. I sprayed you guys. This is your fault.
My fault.
Blame the camera guy if you don't know what to do. Ciao. Wrong car. Just a small gap. Not too bad. It'll be easy. See? Easy.
Okay.
We've done a bit of welding. We got it welded here, 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 there. Round and round we go. Don't look at that. Nothing to see there.
Ooh, I'm looking close.
Don't look close.
I can be out there between 1 and 1:30. So here we go. We went ahead and put some tubing in here so that we can actually hide our wiring so it doesn't get messed up. Runs all the way back here, runs up, and then it's gonna have some sliders right here, like that. It's already got one in here. We're gonna have one in the middle, one halfway, and one on the end. And then we've got this Low Pro LED marker, and it's got reverse lights, which we don't have reverse lights, but we have rock lights that we're going to tie it into. So when we're loading stuff up, we have some light at the back of the trailer.
It's gonna be wonderful.
Yeah, wouldn't that be wonderful?
We'll see so many things. Maybe a pack rat. We don't know.
We'll see all the things we wish we never knew.
Right.
But
Oh, look at there. There it goes.
there it went. Mike has been welding away on everything, every crack and every little issue. We've got all these gussets in, 1/4-inch plate gussets. Definitely looking mo better. Mo better. Yeah. We got this in here. Just going through, finding every little crack and dealing with it. So there we are. Other than the lights, we're done, huh?
It's a new day, working on the trailer. We got some light upgrades.
A light bar all along the back. Booyah!
Yeah. So then we've got left turn,
Left,
right,
right,
reverse.
reverse.
Whoa. I can't envision a way that a light bar is going to hold up, or any lights are going to hold up for very long. So we'll see how this does. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll try something different. But now we are deciding to change the whole front of the trailer. This is the rack that's been on here since the trailer was built in 1980, God only knows. This is to hold the tires on the dirt bikes when we're hauling the dirt bikes out. With the arms in here like this, how they fan out, they kind of help support everything. But occasionally the A-arms will get on here for longer side-by-sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the ammo cans off and we're gonna change the way this mounts and just have a double bar setup that runs along like this in the center to hold the center of the side-by-sides, because there's always the center between the A-arms. And that's always a common deal. So we're gonna make a pad here change the way the mounts do, and then we're probably gonna put some work lights on here. And we're gonna make this bar removable so it still holds the dirt bike tires when we're hauling a dirt bike. And we're gonna store it on the underside over here.
Look who it is.
Like that, I was like, that don't look like Sean's buggy.
The perks of owning a pickup and a flatbed.
Perfect. Straight into there. Like that, and just give us a dual bar to set the side by side on where it doesn't interfere with the A-arms in any way. And then we're gonna cut this off, and it'll be removable so it won't be there until we need it for dirt bikes. You know where that's going?
Somewhere.
Nowhere.
Got you now.
I've had this trailer in my possession since high school. And I've never seen that bar removed. Ah!
It's like it was made for it. Yep. Sweet. Look at that one. That's a good one. Bet that'll do it.
It'll angle down. You know, 'cause we're gonna need to land it right here, but I don't think we have enough pipe to land it there.
I see.
I'm almost wondering if we shouldn't just run out and grab a big piece of like 2-inch
Okay.
that's out there
Yeah.
and just do a single one. Do you need a brand new distributor?
Yeah.
Do you need? We just happen to have.
This motor ain't good?
It's a Triton. I don't know what to say to that. I don't know how to say it with a straight face. No, the motors are not well.
Got the tires back on. ready to go.
Okay, now, the lights work.
They work. Trouble is you have to get really low to see them.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's nice and bright though.
There. So, what we've done, what we've changed here is now this piece is removable.
That one.
Yeah. So now we have our pieces for our motorcycles right there. So you can now stand it up, you drop it in here, but that frees up space for when you bring a side-by-side on.
There's room for the tire.
Yeah, it's not in the way, so now it'll come right in. It only just barely hit, so now we've got plenty of room to roll one straight in, even the narrow ones would come up, and then the suspension, or the center part of the frame will sit right here. We'll let the suspension drop out or whatever needed. So we're hoping this solves some of the problems. Plus we fixed a bunch of the cracks. We changed the wiring. The wiring didn't really run and wasn't hidden. It was kind of just laid out on the deck. So now it runs through the tubes, runs over there to the lights that you can't really see, but they're there. So hopefully they'll last. We'll find out. We moved these in, so then we had to lay the boxes out so that the boxes open. As they stood up and opened inside of the arms before. Like I said, we just went through, cleaned everything up, put a few more gussets in, finished welded a lot because just a lot of this stuff was thrown on and just like, quick, we need to get it out, we need to get it out the door and use it, and so we just kind of threw it together. So this was kind of more taking our time, putting it together righter. So yeah, there we are. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
What he said.
All right.
And Mike said.
You got any jokes today?
What was it? Oh yeah, what's the difference between a hippo and a Zippo?
I don't know.
One's really heavy and the other one's a little lighter.
What are you laughing about? Did you hear that?
I heard it. I heard it.